worldwide presence, we deliver pest control solutions trusted by professionals across the globe. At the heart of our operation is Newport, Wales, specialists in pest monitoring and trapping solutions since 1984, built on quality, reliability and performance. In 2024, Newport achieved the Triple Crown. ISO 14001 reflects our commitment to developing greener, more sustainable pest control solutions. Sustainability is embedded in our design. We use responsibly sourced materials, including FSC-certified card, supporting sustainable forestry and reduced environmental impact. Our people make the difference. Industry-leading entomology experts and product development teams creating innovative, high-performance solutions. Our portfolio delivers best-in-class solutions designed for long-term quality, performance, and reliability. With over 40 years of proven industry expertise, our solutions are independently tested and supported by in-house species specialists. Trusted, high-quality products manufactured in-house to the highest global standards and recognized worldwide. From our Center of Excellence, we deliver customized products manufactured to your specification and IPM requirements. With worldwide shipping and local teams, we ensure timely delivery and dependable support wherever you operate. Long-standing customer relationships built on trust, consistency, and results, supported by dedicated account management teams. Flexible solutions tailored to your operational needs, from centralized purchasing to individual site shipments. Partner with a manufacturer you can trust.